Hello friends, today we are installing the piston in John Deere 6081 engine. Follow the manufacturer's recommendation for better output from your engine. If you follow the manufacturer recommendation, the output of your engine will be perfect. First we have to install the piston rings onto the piston. There are two types of piston rings, one with the pip marks and the other with the color coding. This is the piston ring with the pip marks, one pip mark and two pip mark, and then there is the oil ring. Full keystone compression ring with one pip mark goes in top piston ring groove. Half keystone ring, two pip or top marks goes in second ring groove of piston. Pip marks on number 1 and 2 compression ring must face top of piston. This is the piston ring with one pip mark, it goes on to the top groove, and this is with the two pip mark, this will go into the second. These are the color coded rings. KS piston rings are color coded. The number 1 ring is blue, number 2 is pink, and number 3 is orange. The expander ring is orange. Be sure the orange paint stripe on the expander ring is visible in the oil ring gap. Now I will rotate the ring so that you can see the colors. There you can see the three colors stripes on the piston rings. We have already installed